Come on. Oh, 2. If you do not like sounds like these, turn your volume down. But it probably won't be as loud as in real person. Oh, that was a good one. What's that? Oh. Baby, you're at work. Oh, nice blue ones. Focus. Actually, our blue ones. I'm smoking. No joking, that's just my breath in the cold. I'm very tired out from all that running. Oh, good one. Oh, here comes another one. Oh, never mind. I was about to say, well, that failed. Never mind. Oh, that was a good one. Whoa. Whoa. Tripler. Whoa. Wow. I have the mini ones now. The sparklers I like to refer these as. I thought that was you walking over there. November the 4th or 5th, that's where we celebrate the 5th. Yeah, why are they doing this on the 4th? Well, actually, maybe it's because no one would be here at the school today. Oh, wow. Oh, God, there's an aeroplane there. Are the fireworks high enough to reach the plane? Yeah. It looks like it just hit. Hello? Yeah, there we go. Oh, I refer these as sparklers. It's just because for some reason the first word that comes to my mind when I see those types of fireworks that go remind me. The first word that comes to my mind when I think of that is sparkling. It's sparkling. So I just refer those as sparklers. Oh, that's right. Oh no, something's exploded. I'm joking. Look at them just wiggling their way up into the sky to explode and die. 4 people. My phone seems to capture fireworks better when it's in torch mode.
Big one. Nice.
Christ.
Oh, that's a good one.
Whoa. Oh, nice. Oh, whoa.
Ooh.
Magical ones.
I like those.
Magical. Sorry about that. Just kidding. Whoa. Sparklers. Did you just tell me to shush? Tell the fireworks to shush then.
Because they like them.
Then why are you telling me to shush out of this? You tell me to shush at the most unneeded times, like even if it's allowed. Mummy?
Yeah.
No thanks, but can I just say, you'd be the type of person to tell me shush in a place where you're allowed to be loud.
Yeah, you're right.
Oh, nice. Just some calm ones now. Where do they launch those from? Where do they launch these from?
Field somewhere. Probably over by where the
Oh, no, that's not it. Oh, we got more sparklers. Ooh. Well, that was a... Well, these are very low ones. What makes them these certain colours? Is it the colour of the gunpowder or something?
I think it's the colour of the gunpowder, but I'm not entirely sure. I don't know how it works.
We have a mixture of sparklers and some normal ones.
Ooh.
Whoa! 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 Whoa, we have a motherload here. Oh, one final one. Whoa. Feels like it's making you pound in your body. Feels like going, ugh.
Smile on your face.
Yeah.
Makes you smile.
So, no, that's not it. We have some slightly smaller ones now. A lot of smaller ones. Whoa! So that's it? Oh, no. Pop. This is what you call real popcorn. A lot of blue and green ones. Has it felt like we mostly had green ones?
Yeah, right. That's purple there.
I'd say it's a purpley blue. Well, a mixture now. Oh, this is a red one. And green. I'd say that's a whitish green. You know where greens can get so high coloured, where it looks like it's slowly turning into like a mixture of white? I'm good with describing colours. That's what I sound like.
Not very nice.
Oh, never mind.
Look at my
Sorry about it. Oh, we have a doubler. Now a triple. Quadruple. I don't need to count. Oh, there's another one. There's a big one. And a sparkler as well.
Oh, that's good.
Oh!
That's a good one.
Why no sparkles?
Yeah.
Red one. Make sparkles like, oh.
Ones.
Yes, we have blue ones. Also, and we have sparklers too. Epic. Whoa. Woo. As I say, this is what how people react to fireworks. Ooh. Ah. Tripler. This is how they say they react to fireworks. Ooh. Ah. That's how they say they react. But that's not true because I don't react like that. I was only just stereotyping, or well, not necessarily mocking, but impressioning.
Let's just watch them.
Well, I'm watching and talking, so technically you can still see them. And don't tell me to shush, because the fireworks are loud enough. Joke's on you, they're even louder than me.
Well, I'm trying to watch them in peace and quiet.
But I don't think you're able to get peace if they're making that much noise. These are going to be some of the last ones, because usually they are enough with sparklers.
Like Twizzlers.
But still, like, the way they just come out, like, I just prefer is. Is that it? Oh, no. Whoa. They're always surprising us, like.
No, that is it, I think.
Oh, no. They always keep getting us. It's like, well, no more coming. I guess that's it. Oh, wait, no, there's another one. That's what it's all. I've had that a couple of times now. Minutes of this and I don't regret it.
Good.
Sparklers. Oh, it's a big one. Woo. That looked like a pink one.
Yeah, it did, didn't it?
Oh, no. Why are they always doing this? Oh, we have some sparklers again. Sparklers. That's it now. Oh, nice. Is that it? Nope. Oh, God. This girl's gonna go on for 20 minutes, or maybe even 15. I'm just guessing. Can you not tell me if you know the answer, because it's just a guess? Whoa!
I think this might be the finale.
Wait, this might be the last one. Oh. Oh, no, there's another one.
That's a good one.
And another one. And another one. And another one. And another one. And another one. Now, if you're guessing I'm going to say another one, you're correct. Another one? Yep. Right, take a guess. Am I going to say another one? Oh, a green one. Your answer is yes. Whoa, it went small, then surprise everyone with a big loud thump. Oh, these ones are a bit lower. But my back feels strange for standing in this position, or in this position, but I'm fine with it. Oh, there's one over there. What's that doing? What's that doing? Anyway, then. Whoa! I've got some highway sparklers! Sounds like a cat hissing. Sounds like a cat hissing, but it's muffled. You think so? Say it? Nope. 60. Whoa! Whoa! Oh God! It always feels like when they're that big, it feels like they're gonna land on you or something.
It does, doesn't it? Yeah.
That's it.
That's it.
Woo!
Very cool, isn't it? Look at the moon and all the colours around it.
I wonder if you're still able to see little, look, like little traces of the smoke from it in the air, because you know when sometimes you look at the fireworks and then like after, when something bright, well hold on, is shined into the sky, you can see the traces of some of the clouds. I can't seem to see any, but
I know what you mean.
now that is what you call 17 minutes of made my day.
Oh, good.
Or 17 minutes of epicness.
Oh, cool. I'm glad you made it now, are you?
Yep. You get a closer up view because, well, from our house, you'll most likely only be able to see houses in the way and bushes.
Yeah, I don't think we'd see them from our house, actually.
Well, they go very high into the sky to be high enough to see, though.
I don't think we would see them. I think there'd be too many houses in the way.
Yeah. But yeah, still absolutely awesome.